Leetcode medium problem 3195. Find the minimum area to cover all ones. So this problem we want to find out a area that all ones falls in it. So after we find out this rectangle, no matter how many ones in there, there must be that all the area outside this rectangle is filled with 0. So this is the pattern. The way we find out this is we can go through this array, this 2D array from 4 sides. This one, and the bottom. So we get rid of this column. We get rid of these columns. We get rid of these rows. We get rid of these rows. If the sum of this whole row or column is 0. So maybe we can start from with 2 array to record the sum of each column and rows.